Welcome back to another video, and today's video I will show you how you can add icon in HTML. So you have two process to do this, and one is you can download icon from a free resource, or maybe you can use CDN, I mean Font Awesome, and then we have Font Awesome CDN for this. So let me show you what is the difference between two way. So in the first way, you just have to download all the images, and then you have to put them in a folder, and then you have to access them using image tag, and you have to do CSS for all of them individually. But when you use CDN, that time you shouldn't do anything. You just have to give a link and you can access font or icons. The second one is super easy, but let me show you all the steps. So I will show you two different ways to add icon in your HTML file. Okay, so here you can see I have two files. One is home.html and another one is custom.css. So here I will say HTML and I will press tab, and then you can see it just create a basic structure for me, and I want to access this CSS file here. So in the head section under the title I will access it using link, and here I will say in the reference custom.css. Now let me show you the first one. I have to download icon, right? So to download icon, let me go to the browser. So we have bunch of different web pages to download free icons. So here flat icon is one of them, and you just go to the flat icon here, and let's say I need 3 icon. For the phone, I will say icon, and here bunch of different free phone icon here, and you can just keep any of them. So let's start with this one. So I will select this one and I will click on download here, and you just have to select the PNG format and select free download. Okay, so you have downloaded one icon, and now let's search for address. Okay, here you can use this one. Let's say download this one, select PNG, then free download. We just have to access them inside the body using a tag called img image tag, and here source I will say image folder, then slash, the file name is home and phone. So I will say here home.png, and the next one I will say phone.png. Now if I go to the browser, here you can see we have two PNG icon, and one is for the address and one is for the phone. So now you just have to do CSS for them. So here let's say we want to set the width for the image. Let's say width of 50 pixel or maybe 100 pixel, let's say. And if I refresh it, now you can see. So now you can just do CSS for them. Let's say you want border. So I will say here border 1 pixel, solid black, or any other color you want. So yes, you can set it 2 pixel, no problem. Okay, now let's say you want to show them like this, and here I will say, let's say address will be USA, and here phone number would be 123456. And if I go to the browser, here you can see we have added this. So now you can do CSS for all of them. So you just have to set with, and you can play with CSS, right? So this is the first one, but now I will show you the easiest one. How can you do this? Just only using a CDN. So I will use here font awesome icon. So let me just go to the website, and there is font awesome, and I will use icon from font awesome. And here you can see in the icon section, if I search here phone, then you will find bunch of different icon here, and just only one is free. So I will select this one, and this pop-up window is coming here, and now I just have to copy the icon and I will paste it here. I will add one more item, that is for the location, right? So I will say here location or address. Let's say address, or I'll say home actually. Yes, let's say I want to use this. And now we just have to go to the browser and type here Font Awesome CDM. And in the first link, we just need to click here, and here you can see all.min.css, the first one. You just have to copy this link and go to the code editor, and in the head section under the title, you just have to paste it. And now if I go to the browser and refresh it, now you can see we have two icons. So as you can see, I don't need to download any image to add this icon. I just have to mention the link here, that is serial link, and then just need to copy Font Awesome icon from here by clicking on the icon. You can just copy all the things, right? So here, now you can do CSS for them. Let's say I want to add icon of CSS for the icon. So I will say icon, and then I will say, let's say border 1 pixel solid back. And now, oops. And now if I go to the browser and refresh it, now you can see we have added border. So these are the two ways you can add icon in your website. So first one is you have to download image and then you have to do CSS for them, as you can see here. On the other hand, you don't need to download anything. You just have to copy the serial link of Font Awesome, and then you just have to go to the Font Awesome website, and here you need to click the icon and you just have to copy the icon, right? So just copy it and paste it inside the text editor, so inside the code editor. That's it. And you can do CSS also, so no problem. And that's it. Thanks for watching this video. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.